In this screencast, we are going to demonstrate how to create an in-game alias. The big difference here is that this alias is actually stored in the game. So in other words, it'll work all the time, even if you log in using a different client or from a different location. For this example, we are going to use the Iron Realms Flash client. But remember, if I make this alias, it'll work on the Flash client, the Nexus client, on CMUD, on Mudlet, on whatever client that you want to use. And just as a reminder, an alias is a short or an easy command that you can type into the game that will translate out into a longer or more complicated command that would normally take you longer to enter. For example, today I'm going to make an alias called DH and have it send the command drink health directly to the game. So let's go ahead and make an alias like that. Let's log into the client here. I'm going to use my test character again. Alright, so we're going to use in-game commands to make this alias. The command I'm going to use is set alias, all one word. I'm going to set an alias DH, and it's going to issue the command drink health every time I type it in. So let's go ahead and set that. As you can see here, alias DH will now execute drink health. So if I type in DH, you can see that I drink health. Now maybe I want to get a list of all the aliases that I've created. For that, I can type in alias list like that, and you can see that I have set the command DH to drink health. Also, instead of just typing out the entire alias list command, you can just type in AL and get the same thing. So let's try that again. DH works great. I can drink health. Maybe I want to get rid of that alias. To do that, I type in clear alias DH. You've cleared the alias DH. And then just to make sure or confirm, I can type in AL, and as you can see, I have no aliases. Now let me give you an example of a bad alias. Let's say I decide to make an alias called sit, and I go set alias sit, and I'm going to have it issue the command say I am a dork. Okay, because this would be a very bad alias to make, and I'll show you why in just a second. Because, warning, you have just aliased an existing command. As you know, sit is a command that we use in the game. So now, whenever I type in sit, instead of actually having my character sit, I say I am a dork, which would be bad in case I really needed to actually sit in the game, because I would have no way to do it anymore. I would have to go in and clear the alias sit, and now I can sit as normal. Okay, so that would be an example of a bad alias to make. So hopefully this tutorial will help you out a little bit for those of you that are new to aliases. And once again, if you have any questions, go ahead and ask on the forums for your game, and I'm sure that someone will be willing to help you out.